Hello friends, in the second video series of asthmatic patients, we are going to perform selected pranayam for enhancing the lungs capacities and relief from breathing problems.
नमस्कार। हमारे वीडियो की दूसरी श्रृंखला में हम दमा एवं श्वास संबंधी समस्याओं से प्रभावित व्यक्तियों के फेफड़ों की क्षमता को बढ़ाने के लिए चयनित प्राणायामों का अभ्यास करेंगे, जिनके नियमित अभ्यास से आवश्यक लाभ प्राप्त होंगे। Now start. Take 2-3 breaths. Next one is Anulom Vilom. Inhale from left nostril and exhale from right nostril, then reverse back 3 times. Relax in Sukhasana. Next is Bhatsrika Pranayam. Relax. Normal breathe 3-4 times. Now next is Bhramari Pranayam. Is ready. Start. Place your finger on your eyes and close your ears. Take forcefully inhale, full inhale, then start chanting Om. Rub your palm, place in your eyes and face. Slowly open your eyes and relax. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.